Hello, peace seekers. The sole purpose of this meditation is to help ease stress, strain, or any potential feelings of burnout that may be present. Please allow this practice to also help you refocus and open your body to full restoration. You work hard to serve others, but now allow these few minutes to be dedicated to adoring yourself. Please feel free to sit up tall with your feet planted firmly on the floor. You can gently close your eyes or find a fixed gaze. Now feel free to be completely mindful and feel the chair supporting and cradling your back. Rest your hands on your desk or let them fall naturally onto your lap. Relax the muscles in your face, neck, shoulders, and back. Then slowly scan your entire body from the crown of your head to the balls of your feet. Allow softness and fluidity to take over your whole being, one area at a time. Now take a deep breath in through the nose, allowing your belly to expand. Then slowly exhale through the mouth, allowing the belly to come back to center. Once again, take a deep breath in through the nose, allowing calming sensations to circulate throughout the body. And exhale through the mouth, releasing any tension. Inhale slowly. Hold the breath for a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Then exhale for a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. As you inhale, place focus once again on your face, your forehead, eyes, nose, cheeks, mouth, and chin. Observe any sensations here. Do your eyes feel strained or clear? Do you feel any pulsing sensations in your temples? Are your teeth clenched or in a relaxed position? With every breath, simply notice and observe how your body is communicating. Then invite relaxation to fill you up. Inhale once again for a count of 3. And observe how you're feeling mentally and emotionally. When you exhale for a count of 3, allow yourself to dispel any feelings that are not serving you. Keep in mind that any feelings of exhaustion, burnout, or overwhelm are temporary. When these feelings pass, more room opens for joy, contentment, and peace. Let's recite these words of affirmation. I work hard to serve others. I am proud of my drive and ambition. I vow to approach all upcoming work days with joy, optimism, and fervor. As we seal this practice, allow me to offer a few options for you to reduce stress at work. Feel free to keep some lavender essential oil in your desk when you need to calm your senses. When possible, make time for breaks and never skip lunch. Finally, be open to developing healthy relationships with colleagues. A healthy work environment can benefit you mentally and physically. And when all else fails, remember to look to the breath. Now flutter your eyes open, and as you return to your workspace, allow yourself to apply these mindfulness techniques when interacting with others. Thank you for rewarding yourself with this practice. Love and light.